Solve the following system, x plus y equals 12, x minus y equals 6, by graphing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to graph each equation, then I'm going to look for the intersection point, and the intersection will be the solution to the system. So I'm going to start with graphing. I'm going to graph x plus y equals 12. To do this, I'm going to use the slope-intercept method, which is using the formula y equals mx plus b. There's actually two other methods for graphing. There's making a table. You could do that, or you can do the intercept method, which I'll show you in a few minutes. So but I want to use the y equals mx plus b. In this formula, I notice that y, we need to solve for y. So I'm going to get y alone by subtracting x from both sides. In the left side, I'll have a y. The right side will have negative x plus 12. And then using now my formula, I will notice that my m is equal to negative 1, and my b is 12. What does the b represent? It represents the y-intercept. The y-intercept is where it crosses the y-axis. So I'm going to come along here on my graph. Right there is where it crosses the y-axis. Okay, now the m represents my slope. Slope is the rise over the run. So I'm going to change this into a ratio to talk about the rise and the run. So that means I'm going to rise negative 1 from one point to another on the graph. So I'm going to start with 12. I'm going to go down 1. So that's rising negative 1, and then running 1 to the right 1. Go down 1 and to the right 1. Let's try it again. There it is. Do that a couple of times, down 1 to the right 1, down 1 to the right 1. I will notice I start getting a line. Looks something like that. Okay, so now I would like to graph x minus y equals 6. I'm going to use a different method. What I'm going to use here is use the intercept method. This was before I used the slope-intercept method. Now I'm just going to use the intercept method. What is the intercept method? The intercept method is when you find the intercepts, and there's two intercepts. There's the x-intercept. The x-intercept is when y is 0. And if I plug in y is 0 into this equation, I notice that what I get is x minus 0 equals 6, or x equals 6. So I have the point, the ordered pair. What does that represent? That represents x is 6 and y is 0. Okay, now I'm going to find the y-intercept. How do I find the y-intercept? It's a special case when x is 0. Okay, so if I come back to the same equation and I plug in x is 0, well, what I get is a negative y equals 6. Don't forget about that negative. Dividing both sides by negative 1, I get y equals negative 6. So I get the special ordered pair 0, negative 6. So if I plot just those 2 points, do it in a different color, I have the point 6, 0 for my second line. So I'm going to, and then 0, negative 6. There's 0, negative 6 for my other point, and I draw the line that represents those, and I get the following line. So this is my second graph, and this one is my first graph. Okay, the solution is where the two graphs intersect. So what do I have? I have this point right here is the solution to the system. That point looks like 9, 3. If you notice, it is a solution because if I look at my original system, the original system is where the two numbers add to 12, and our numbers add to 12, and subtract to 6, and our two numbers subtract to 6. So this is called the solution to the system, and we are done.